Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to blur text in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new document, select the text, right click, type tool, create a new layer and click and type anything. Double click, I use size, full size and color black. You can change the color. Okay, right click, convert to smart object, again right click, raster layer. You can edit blur, select the text layer and go to filter, blur, and you edit blur, average blur, blur more, and use custom blur. Click the blur tool, right click, use blur tool, then click and drag on your mouse, again right click, left click your mouse. Now see this blur text. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.